Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Microsoft Authenticator app when it shows no internet connection. First of all, make sure your internet connection is working properly. Check your Wi-Fi or mobile data and try opening a website to confirm. Then, check your phone's date and time settings. For that, open your Settings app. Then, go into General. After that, scroll down a bit and tap on Date and Time. Here, make sure Set Automatically is toggled on. After that, clear the app's cache or refresh it. On iPhone, you just need to offload your app. For that, go back to the General Settings menu and tap on iPhone Storage. Then, find Microsoft Authenticator in the list of apps and tap on it. Then, simply tap on Offload App and once done, tap on Reinstall App. After that, try updating the Microsoft Authenticator app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Older versions can sometimes cause connection problems. Now, restart your phone and open the app again. If the problem continues, remove and re-add your account in the Authenticator app using the QR code or setup key provided by Microsoft. And that's all. These steps should fix the no internet connection problem in Microsoft Authenticator. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.